Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? A lackover, what did I do? Leftover, but John went and celebrated Thanksgiving with his familia Friday, and he brought all these snacks over there, leftovers, either cheeses and sweet cheeses and mushrooms and pepperoni and salami and Ritz crackers and this cracked pepper and olive oil crackers and these everything pita crackers along with guacamole dip. Hell of a good French onion dip. This hummus with red bell pepper and hummus with garlic. Try it out. Some of the cheese. Dip it with the That's really good. I should try the mushroom with the hell of a good.
Yep.
French onion dip. That's good.
I'll even dip like you get the uncooked broccoli.
Yeah.
And dip that in there. But I bought enough stuff.
No. And hummus with garlic. That is really good. And by itself. I like a 10 out of 10. Everything. Graham crackers. Ritz crackers, yeah.
You putting it on?
What's that?
You putting on? Putting on the Ritz.
Oh yeah, putting on Ritz. That's really good. Let's try the margarita salami. And count on the margarita pepperoni. I know Cook Country and Teskin said this was their favorite type of supermarket bought pepperoni. So good. Everything they're everything's delicious. Cheese and the dips and the whips. What does that have? Weird sounds. Cheese, dips, whips.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Chips, dips, chains, and whips.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. That is really good. Yeah, thank you for bringing this out. It's good. Leftovers from Thanksgiving. So, hope you like the video. Bye. Till next time, please. Take care, my Legion.